For anyone who's ever had a flavorless or weird vegetarian burger, I'm here to restore your faith. We are making the best homemade black bean burgers. Hi, I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com, and today I'm showing you how to make my super popular black bean burgers. They are made with fresh, healthy ingredients, but most importantly, they taste amazing. They hold together like a regular burger. You can cook them on the grill, on the stove, in the oven. Even the meat lovers in your life are going to love these black bean burgers. Let's get started. We are starting off with 1 can of black beans. Rinse them and drain them really well. We don't want a lot of extra moisture, and add them to a bowl. I like to mash them with a fork. You could use a potato masher and just mash them up to get them as smooth as you can. This doesn't need to be perfect. It should just take a minute or two to get them all mashed. Next, grab a bell pepper, onion, and some cloves of garlic. We just need half of a bell pepper. Any color will work. We're gonna add this to a food processor with an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna process these until they're finely diced, almost pureed. They're nicely finely mashed and diced in our food processor. There's a lot of extra liquid in these vegetables, so we are going to remove all the excess liquid we can by pouring the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. So I like to use a spoon or a spatula to press the mixture firmly in a fine mesh strainer so we can get rid of all the excess moisture. That excess moisture is what would make your burger kind of fall apart and be too soft. So we're gonna squeeze as much out as we can. Grab those mashed black beans. We're gonna add the pureed vegetables to them. And we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, which include some seasonings for flavor. We have a tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 lightly beaten egg, and 2/3 cup of breadcrumbs. The egg and the breadcrumbs are gonna act as binders for our burgers to help it hold together nicely. You can also add a pinch of salt and pepper. We're ready to mix this together and form our burger patties. Get all those seasonings incorporated. This smells so good. As you mix it, you should be able to tell that everything's coming together really nicely. It's not too wet or too dry. Okay, we're gonna scoop this mixture to form our burger patties. This will make about 4 really good sized black bean burgers, or 5 smaller burgers if you want. So I just scoop it into my hands, form a nice little burger patty. I like them a little bit thicker. At this stage, this is super similar to making a regular hamburger. Just grab the meat, form the patty in your hand. If you've got a little extra, just add it to the other burgers. Okay, our burger patties are ready to go. At this point, you could stick them in the fridge for later. You could freeze them for another day, or you can go ahead and cook them on the grill, in the oven, or on the stove, which is what we're going to do. Okay, grab any pan that you have at home. I'm using a grill pan. You could use a cast iron pan or a nonstick pan. Heat it over medium-high heat. This part is really easy. Just cook them for about 4 minutes on each side, flipping them once. You can see they've gotten a little bit of a nice brown crust on one side. Our burgers are hot off the grill. We are ready to start adding all of our favorite toppings. So you can use a regular burger bun if you want. You could use a lettuce wrap if you want to make it even healthier. I like to add a big dollop of Chipotle mayo. And some other favorite burger toppings at our house are tomatoes, onion, avocado, a piece of cheese, lettuce. This really will make the burger just over the top amazing. I'm ready to take a bite. This looks so good. Look how beautiful that is. Tell me the meat lovers in your family won't love to take a bite of this. This is so good. My gosh, I love a good burger. And these black bean burgers rival any burger I'd order at a restaurant. These really are so easy to make. They use simple pantry ingredients, and they really are easy to throw together and taste amazing. I know your family is going to love them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other recipes that taste better from scratch. See you next time.